welcome back to my channel. This is Vardhini and you're watching another video. So as you already must have read by the title, this is going to be a collab with my best friend in the whole wide world. Welcome to my channel, Sania Mohyuddin. So guys, this collab video was completely her idea, so shower her with all your love in the comments down below. And today we went for this chit chat gossip session sort of video because we haven't caught up in like 2-3 days thanks to so much college work. So yeah, that's what we thought we'll do, and we filmed this makeup look, and we also have few tips and tricks for beginners who are starting out their journey in makeup. So also guys, I think we should do more challenge videos in the future. Sania, what do you think?
Yeah, I think that would be great, like either looking at one of the influencers' looks or even doing it on each other, but that way we can...
Oh yeah, we need to meet for that though.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll do that in the future. Do let us know in the comments below what you want to see with both of us. And till then, get right into the video. So guys, as you already can see, we both have finished our base makeup and we both have pretty different ways in which we do our base. So I guess we can talk you through it and then we'll move on to our eyes, right Sania?
Yes, totally.
Okay, so
Vardhini, how exactly did you...
Okay, for me, so like I already addressed in my previous videos, I use foundation. So the foundation I used for today's makeup was the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I think I've spoken about it in my previous video as well. So yeah, I'm in the shade 15. So yeah, this is the foundation I used and that's it. I just did my basic skincare routine and then I put this foundation on top of it. So what about you?
So I don't use foundation because I find it really heavy. I still have to look for like a really light shade, or the weight of the whole foundation shouldn't be as heavy as it is that I've experienced mostly. So I use the CC cream by Lakme 95, and so I put that just like a little bit, and then on top of that I put my usual concealer by Benefit.
Okay.
And yeah, that's about it. I think the Studio Fix by MAC after that, and then that's literally just what it is right now.
So I guess it will be very helpful for you guys after watching this video because both of us are going to do a look that will suit pretty much every kind of outfit. So Indian, Western, right?
Yeah. Yes. And this mostly, like, it goes really well with Indian clothes as well because, you have your heavy attire. And luckily and thankfully, even in Western clothing, it's very nicely blended, like you can really see it.
And these are colors that most eyeshadow palettes will have. So if you're a beginner and you just want to buy one palette, then you can go for this kind of a palette.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so let's move on to our eyes then. So I'm actually using the palette that you gifted me. So like I spoke about in so many of my videos, yes, this is the same Sania who gifted me so many of those beautiful palettes and those makeup products. So yeah, I'm using this Drama one that you gave me, this one. So I think I'm going to use the orange and the goldenish tones right here. What about you?
So I'm going to start by picking a very light skin tone shade from this Urban Decay palette. Just to cover the whole base in case I missed out with my Studio Fix.
Yeah, that's a nice idea.
And it's got like a light shimmer. Yeah, it's got a light shimmer as well, so it gives you that whole look while keeping it light and subtle as well. So even if you don't want like a really heavy thing, you can just put this up with your liner and you're good to go.
Yeah, and I'm also using this nudie brown palette for my transition shade. So yeah, that's what I pick up usually all the time for a good crease and like she said for good coverage on my eye. So that's what I'm going to do now. And also guys, it'll be helpful for you guys because we both are pretty different in our skin tones. So you can see how this is one like golden eye look that will go with both like not just our two skin tones but pretty much I think that all the range of skin tones will this will suit them. So you could see that. Yeah, so you can start with less and then keep building up, but if you once go dark, it's so difficult to bring it back to the base.
It is.
So eyeshadow is something I learned from Sania, honestly.
Learned from my mom. And also, this is like my very first time doing anything of this sort on YouTube. So please excuse me if I'm really awkward throughout the whole thing.
So what about your skincare routine, Sanya? Do you have an elaborate 10-step skincare routine?
Not really. Honestly, I started very recently while I was in Aberdeen because I was having these stress breakouts and whatnot. And, you know, it seemed really like I had to get my shit together because it was really bad on my forehead especially. So I use these products by Pixie Beauty. So they're really good. It's just a simple toner, cleansing gel, and mask once a week. That's it.
So I tend to use.
What about you?
I've started using Face Shop recently because even I got a lot of acne in this lockdown. I don't know why. I think stress and the whole anxiety about the situation and things like that.
Yeah.
So then I bought Face Shop products. So I bought the same range ka the scrub and then the face wash and the toner, and then I use either the toner and the face wash or the toner and the scrub depending on how many times I use the scrub in a week. So that's what I've been doing, and it's actually helping me a lot.
That's the best part, to see it actually working.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you break your head over it until you find the right kind of product. That's also really important, because I tried a lot of things that didn't really suit my skin.
It's a lot of experimentation.
It is, definitely. So I've kind of moved on to the actual gold eyeshadow, and for that I've used the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in the shade Topaz. And this is something I got you the amethyst.
She's the one who got me the amethyst one, which I'm obsessed with. So what have you been up to in quarantine?
Honestly, nothing much. I recently just finished my course, my master's course.
Congratulations to Sanya, she graduated.
Thank you. And now I've mostly I just bake.
Yes, guys, I will link her baking channel down there. It's amazing. Like, honestly, I've tried a lot of the things she makes, and I wish I could try more, but obviously we can't visit each other right now. But yes, you have to follow her. Like, you're missing out on something if you're not following her.
Thank you. Because honestly, I've been baking since I was a kid, since school days, so it's been something, there was a point in time where I wasn't introduced to psychology yet, and I really didn't know what to do because I'm not very good at math. So there was actually this time where I fully decided to become like a full-fledged pastry chef, and we had like everything sorted, where I'd be going, and what uni to attend and what to take up first. And then turns out a year later, when I was introduced to psychology in 11th grade, that's where my interests lied over.
And that's how we met.
So baking is still a hobby. Yes, that's how we met.
So let's move on to liner then. I think it's really important to match your liner with your face shape. So
Yes, it is.
I'm still trying to perfect out my wing. Yep. I'm using the Maybelline Hydro liner today. Which one are you using?
So I did my stencil, just the wing bits with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I found that very easy to just, make the shape, because it's a very thin tip, if you can see.
Okay.
And it gets the shape right. And then I fill it in with my Lakme Absolute liquid liner. I've been using this since I was in school, and I swear by it, it's so nice. Because it just gives a full-on...
Yeah, you just have that one product which you use.
Yeah, exactly.
So let's move on to mascara then.
Yes.
I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara.
Okay, mine's from Too Faced, It's called Better Than Love, Dubai version,
Oh.
because that's where I got this from.
Not better than sex.
Yeah. If I got it from Aberdeen, maybe it would have come.
Yeah. Dubai
How
version.
many coats do you put?
I usually put like 1 or 2 because I'm just like, how do you take it off otherwise if it's more than that?
Yeah,
So,
but
yeah.
usually clumpy. That's the thing.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know how people put 3 and 4 coats. So Sani, do you remember how we initially like started talking and hanging out together?
I think it was it was the first year of uni. It was around a few months in, and you were moving towards my side of the town.
Yeah.
And I think that's what got us
That's
going,
exactly
and we
it,
started
yeah.
talking. Cause I
That's
had
what
this
sort of
whole
brought us together.
thing.
Because we
Yes.
both had to travel like 2
Because-
hours one way to uni.
Yeah. And when I found that out, I was like, oh my gosh, she's traveling with me, it's decided. Because, it's so much fun traveling with someone than alone, especially such a long,
Yeah,
such
such a long.
journey, like 1.5 hours back and forth each. We'd
And then
be
I think
home by
over
what,
these
5?
4.5 years, we figured out how we're so similar in so many things. Like every day we keep figuring out new things. But yeah.
We're practically the same person. We have a lot of similarities.
Yeah, exactly.
I honestly haven't seen this with anyone before, It's just, I
Same.
don't even have to say
Yeah.
it. I don't even have to say. You just know what I'm thinking.
Know what's
I'm
going
about
on,
to
yeah.
say. Yeah.
So I'm doing my eyebrows because Sanya doesn't fill in her eyebrows that much. So that's why
No, I
thought
have
let me-
very thick eyebrows as it is, as you can see. So maybe like just
Pretty
over
ones.
here a little bit where. Thanks. Where it's a bit scarce, the growth. I just fill it in with a little black eyeshadow from the Urban Decay palette that I showed just now. 1 second.
So I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and yeah, I lightly just filled it in.
I
So
really
what
wanted to try
about
that, but I don't
blush
know.
then? Do you use blush?
I don't use blush because my cheeks tend to get pink very quickly when I'm outside, and I don't know if you can see it, but it is pink already, and adding blush on top of that will make me look really
Yeah, guys. Whenever she sees a guy, her cheeks get pink.
no, that's not true.
That's all of us.
Yeah, I guess so. But then if that was the case for me, if it would have been so pink that anyone would have known. Kya hai, like what's happening.
So I'm using the NYX Bitten blush. It's a dark pink blush, and I just put it. I like to put a little on my nose also. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, I do the nose, but then a lot of people I've seen do like the Cupid's bow as well over here. I can't get myself to do it because it's very prominent for me.
Yes.
I kind of
Highlighter, right?
start. Yeah, I'm gonna do my highlighter, and I'm gonna start with the one by Too Faced. It's the Unicorn highlighter. I kind of start that to get it going.
I don't get the concept of that fan kind of brush, for highlighter, honestly.
No, I use my fingers.
Yeah, same. So guys, Sanya taught me this trick to put my highlighter under my eyebrows, which is what I'm doing right
That's
now.
just what I was gonna say. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So just like a very light stroke of it over there,
Yeah.
and then I fill it in with the Kylighter by Kylie in the shade Strawberry Shortcake.
So,
Yes.
what do you want to say about the lips, Sanya?
Okay, so with this goldish brown shade of eyes that you have, it's very important to get, you have to keep one of the features subtle. So if you have like a really bright eye makeup, you tend to tone it down on your lips. And in this case, it's very even and it's subtle, so we can go with bright shades as well as normal nude shades as well. So
Yeah.
colors like magenta, like dark pinks, dark reds, and bright reds go really well, and then browns and to an extent nude browns as well go really well. So
Yeah,
What
I
are
guess
you gonna
this is a
let
very
me pick for
versatile
you?
look. So
Yes,
it will
it
go
is.
well with a lot of lip colors, which is why you can wear it anywhere actually. And yeah, I think like for beginners especially, this look is something you guys should try, because if you have like a pink eye or a purple eye or a blue eye, then it's very difficult to match that up with a, like you get very few lip shades that will match those kind of eye looks. So
That's so
that's why
true.
this is such a nice look to have. So I have 2 3 options. So I would like you to choose the lip color for me today.
Yes.
Okay, so let me see. The first one is this magenta one by Lotus. As you can see, it's a dark magenta,
Okay.
pinkish sort of shade. The second one is this Maybelline Burgundy blush. Yeah, it's a dark brown, purple sort of shade.
That's nice.
And then the last one is the pure brown. It's called Chocolate Truffle. It's by Nykaa. So yeah, that's
Mhm.
the pure brown sort of shade. Which one do you think I should go for?
Okay. So I think I'm gonna pick the True Brown. What's it called?
Okay.
The one by
The
Nykaa.
Nykaa
I'm
one.
gonna pick that one.
Yeah.
Because you're wearing
Great
green,
then.
so it'll be really nice to
Hmm.
have like a whole, nude brown look to it.
But
Oh,
what
you have
if
to
a
pick for me.
green and brown makes me look like a tree?
No, it won't.
Okay,
because
it
you-
won't.
Come on. What?
Okay, no. Yes,
Okay, so
so
these are my
should I
shades,
choose for
okay?
you?
Yes. So I was thinking, since you're doing a brown, I'm gonna pick the bright ones.
Hmm.
So I've got a proper bright red. Camera's here. I've got the magenta pink, the dark pink, and I've got the deep red.
Hmm.
So what do you think?
I think you should go for the deep red, because you're wearing a black
Okay.
top. So
Yes, and coincidentally, it's got deep red embroidery.
yeah.
as
Oh,
well, so
see,
cool.
see, this is what we're saying. We
Oh
like
my
don't even need to tell
goodness.
each other, and we just know.
So my shade is called Fiery Berry. It's by Sugar, and it's from their Smudge Me Not edition.
Hmm.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
actually,
no,
sugar
no,
lipsticks
this
don't
doesn't come
smudge.
off.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't come off at all. It's quite a pain to take it off at the end.
So guys, if you know me, you know I don't like bullet lipsticks that much. So what I do with this lipstick is I like to top it off with this lipstick, NYX Lip Lingerie lipstick. So I bought this actually thinking it will be a My Lips but better kind of shade, but it turned out to be a very I'm not wearing lipstick at all kind of shade. So I like to use it as a topper to this one to give it a lot of sort of matte kind of look. So,
Yeah, I had that issue with finding my right shade of nude as well.
yeah, it's very difficult. Okay then. Guess we're done.
Yes.
That looks really pretty.
Thank you. I like yours. I like how, nice and subtle yet
Yeah,
vibrant.
natural. Yeah,
it is.
exactly. Okay then guys, as you can see, that's the look that we went for today. And I guess this is a look you can wear for a party, a wedding, Indian outfits, Western outfits, even like a day to college you can just wear this look. And we spoke so much, which is why it took so much time, but you can pretty much do this look in under 10 minutes, I think. It wasn't that difficult.
Yeah, 15 max.
Yeah.
Could be.
So thank you so much for watching this video, and Sanya, thank you so much for coming on my channel. So this is her first time on YouTube and she chose to do it on my channel. So thank you for that.
Thank you for having me, because honestly, it's such a big risk to take someone who has no clue of what's going on. And the fact that you did that with me, I am so grateful. and so
Because you're my
honored. So thank
best
you for
friend.
that. Aw.
So also guys, I'll link her Instagram page and her baking page on Instagram in the description box. You guys have to check it out. Like, she makes such yum recipes. I personally have tried so many of them, and I hope I get to try more if I like when I go to her house in the future, and I'm sure we'll make recipes
Yeah,
together
hopefully
as
in the
well.
Next video.
Yeah, we should do that.
For sure.
So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.